There is a large community of beginner woodturners around the country, and no matter the experience, we all share this common ground. I also struggled to choose the opening wood lathe that can grow with me on my woodturning journey. I will discuss such 5 wood lathes in 3 different size categories, including 3 alternative options. You must have seen these small powerhouses used by the mentors in clubs, except for the WEN Minis. There are many products available to choose the best beginner wood lathes for you, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best beginner wood lathes for you from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. ShopFox W1704 Review. Best for beginners. For whom? First of all, this is not something a pro turner would consider over a professional wood lathe because of their underpowered motors. They are ideal for smaller things and always considered excellent for the entry level. Why choose ShopFox W1704? I don't own this lathe, but I have used it several times. A friend of mine has a small antique shop here in North Vermilion Street. He somehow has a fetish for smaller lathes. I don't know if he is reading this. I help him with some of his projects. I turned some bangles and small acrylic pens. I turned all 3 of them, but liked the ShopFox most because of its sturdiness. Number 2. WEN LA3421 Variable Speed Review. Best budget lathe. The WEN LA3421 is a great lathe if you're on a tight budget or looking for a more affordable way to get started with wood turning. It's got many features you'd expect in a lathe twice the price, for example variable speed. If variable speed is something you are looking for, but you need a cheaper alternative to a Jet or Delta MIDI, WEN is the perfect choice. Not that much horsepower, but enough to handle lighter projects like acrylic pen blanks, small mallets, duck calls, chess pieces, 5-inch tiny bowls, etc. Harbor Freight used to sell the same lathe, but now has gone into the manual speed and MT2 option, so priced up. The only difference it has with the WEN 3420T unit is the size of the faceplate and motor. I think they came up with 3421 units after getting negative reviews on motor sustainability. With not that much of a difference, I would say that you should move with this WEN LA3421 unit instead. Having a little more power to the motor is absolutely an extra advantage. It is a 1/3 HP nice little lathe till you push it beyond its capability. Number 3. Jet JWL 1440 VSK, Review. Jet 14x40 Variable Speed Woodworking Lathe, 1 HP, 1 pH 115 230 volts JWL 1440 VSK. Maybe you aren't ready to buy a top-tier lathe yet, but still want a good option for a full-size lathe. If so, this might be it. One good thing is that the speed dial opens and closes the driver sheave, so you don't need to move the belts to change the speeds. My complaint was just for the price they are taking. They could have given it 16 swing at least for bowl turning. Now, every machine has its capabilities and limitations. You cannot expect to put 20 work on a 14 lathe. If you are overthinking too much, finding out what could go wrong in the worst case, a machine could stop working. Jet is providing a 5 years warranty, so you can call them and set the issues you are having with your wood lathe anytime. They have an excellent customer service reputation also. Number 4. Delta 46-460 Review. Alternative for Jet 1221 VS. Delta Industrial 46-460 12.5-inch Variable Speed MIDI Lathe, Gray. Definitely a worthy pick for the MIDI lovers, a top-notch alternative to the Jet 1221 VS. They are quite a similar thing, but Delta goes an extra step with their price. I don't know if I have underrated this big name in the MIDI lathe industry. Delta has a history of introducing the first MIDI lathe in the market, probably in the early 90s, so they are the pioneer. This variable speed unit of Delta has always been my favorite, though I sold mine to a club member years ago, then got the 1221 VS. But I didn't notice much of a difference between these two. My 46-460 was smooth and quiet, with adequate 1 HP motor power to turn bowls up to 11. It says 12 inches, but I don't like working on the edge. This is one of the most capable MIDI in the wood lathe market, no doubt about that. It's been serving many skill-level woodturners. So yeah, you can choose Delta 46-460 as an alternative to the Jet 1221 VS. Delta weighs almost 50 pounds less than the Jet. The extra weight is always beneficial for bowl turnings. Cause you definitely want to grab something that's promising you more sturdiness. Number 5. Best wood lathe overall Jet JWL 1221 vs. I see this wood lathe as being the best overall, and it's because of its capabilities. It has a massive 1 HP of power, so it should have no issues dealing with any type of wood. Also, it has a variable speed option allowing you to change between 60 to 3600 RPM. But the other significant aspect to consider is both the distance between center and the swing over bed measurements. I find this model to be pretty impressive in both those areas, thanks to a DBC of 21 and an SOP of 12.5. For me, that should allow you to actually use this wood lathe for so many projects. I do love it has a variable speed option. It allows you to slow things down when it comes to the more delicate parts of a project, and this model is straightforward to adjust. In addition, you will also find it easy to lock things into place so you can stick to those measurements and get exact results. This is further enhanced by the fact that this model is very quiet and produces little vibrations, allowing you to maintain absolute control throughout your project. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. If you want to know the details of a particular product, please comment. Thanks for staying with Creation Tech.